Step 1. Sign into the Azure portal. In this task, we will create a SQL database based on the Adventure Workslaw sample database. From the All Services blade, search for and select SQL databases, and then click +Add, +Create, +New. On the Basics tab, fill in this information. Subscription, use default supplied. Resource group, use default supplied and drop down. Database name, DB1. Server, select Create New. A new sidebar will open on the right. Authentication method, use SQL authentication. Server admin login, SQLuser. Then click OK. Step 4. On the Networking tab and configure the following settings. Connectivity method, public endpoint. Step 5. On the Security tab. Microsoft Defender for SQL, not now. Step 6. Move to the Additional Settings tab. We will be using the Adventure Workslaw sample database. Use existing data, sample. Step 7. Click Review + Create and then click Create to deploy and provision the resource group, server, and database. It can take approximately 2 to 5 minutes to deploy. Step 8. Test the database. When the deployment has completed, click Go to Resource from the Deployment blade. Alternatively, from the All Resources blade, search and select Databases, then SQL Databases. Ensure your new database was created. You may need to refresh the page. Step 9. Click the DB1 entry representing the SQL database you created. On the DB1 blade, click Query Editor, Preview. Step 10. Log in as Skluser with the password. Step 11. You will not be able to log in. Read the error closely and make note of the IP address that needs to be allowed through the firewall. Step 12. From the DB1 Overview blade, click Set Server Firewall located on the top center of the overview screen. Step 13. Click plus Add Client IP, top menu bar, to add the IP address referenced in the error. It may have autofilled for you. If not, paste it into the IP address fields. Be sure to save your changes. Step 14. Return to your SQL database, slide the bottom toggle bar to the left, and click on Query Editor, Preview. Try to log in again as Skluser with the password. This time you should succeed. Note that it may take a couple of minutes for the new firewall rule to be deployed. Step 15. Once you log in successfully, the query pane appears. Enter the query into the editor pane. Step 15. Click Run, and then review the query results in the results pane. The query should run successfully. You have created a SQL database in Azure and successfully queried the data in the database.